Hey everybody, PE School here, back with another Winter Olympic Games video. And this one I'm super excited to share with you. So this is called table air hockey. And what I did was I put some folding tables out and I taped some noodles along the side with some Velcro and duct tape for the sidelines. I used black duct tape on either end to signal the goal lines. And then the yellow tape down the middle is the center line. And in lieu of actual paddles and pucks, I have some old plungers that are used for other various PE games. They're definitely not used for real toilets. My students always ask me that. They are perfectly clean. We use them for a bunch of different games. But anyway, I screwed off the ends of them, and they actually turned out to be very, very good paddles. So nice, easy handle to hold on to, and they slide on the table pretty well. So that's what we're using for paddles, and we're using just a simple bean bag for the puck and some poppets for the scorecard. So with most of my grades and classes, it was just basic air hockey. So students use the paddle to push the bean bag, and they score a point if it goes over the opponent's black line. If it comes up short or if it's blocked, then of course the other team or the other player gets a chance to do the same thing. Now, the only bad thing that can happen is sometimes the beanbag gets stuck kind of in the middle, and it's hard for a lot of the younger kids to reach across and hit it. So I just allow them to walk along the side and bring it back with their hands and give it a nice shot, so it's a little bit easier. But for the most part, it works out pretty well. It's fast-paced, it works on reaction times, and it's pretty unique. The kids were super excited to figure out what in the world it was, and it ended up being one of the more popular stations of the day. So table air hockey, let me know if you have any suggestions or any different ideas that maybe you've done it in the past or something similar to it. I'd love to hear your feedback, but maybe you can try it out if you have the equipment available. And if you are interested in other Winter Olympic games and activities, make sure you check out my playlist here on PE School. Thanks for the support, and I will have a little demo video of some students playing this game here at the end. So I will see you next time. Thanks again.